They're on the 4th floor, building 1. Crazy fucking work here, dude. Gotta find them. They're up here though. I see the plumbing. Don't look bad. Don't look bad. Whoa, shit. What are these? Just 1-bedroom units? Units. 1 bedroom. Yeah. Living room, bathroom, bedroom. Big ass tubs. This better be big tubs for $2,500 a month. Holy shit. This ain't no joke right here. They all one back. Alright, let me try to get this money. Try to get this job.